Hey guys, welcome to a new video. This is something I'm really interested in. This is the Škoda Vision RS. So this is the, I'm trying to remember the English word. This is the, this is the concept car. Okay, this is the concept car. I think it looks really nice, aggressive. Of course, you're not gonna have LED lights in your grille, but I like this design. This is gonna be a plug-in, a hybrid car, sports car. In the back there's actually sports seats. The new Mercedes A-Class sedan has that, or maybe I have the A3, I forgot now, top of my head. You can see the door handles are like in the Tesla Model 3, they extrude outside. I like the inside of the cockpit. You can maybe see it from here now. It's a new idea. The center screen, digital cockpit. And I like the back look of this car. It has an interesting spoiler. I like it. It's aggressive, it's sharp, it's Škoda design. You can see the inside screen. It looks very, very nice. I'm looking forward to seeing the production car of this. It's a beauty, in my opinion. I'm really, really pleased with this car. I'm looking forward to seeing it in flesh in a few years when the new one comes out, because it looks so dope.